So what you can also do inside of ChatGPT is give it custom script formats and let it generate out contents in that script format. So I'm going to go around and give a detailed prompt. Let's say, for example, I'm going to give a story in the next message right here, message, and I want you to write it in a script format. In the script, make sure that the characters are referred to as CC1 and CC2 right here. CC1 and CC2, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and say, make sure to add the actions at the end of the description. Make sure to add in actions and expression inside brackets. Brackets after each dialogue right here, just like this. So I'm giving it a bit of a custom script format right here, just like this, and I'm going to press enter. So once I do that, it says go ahead, share the story. I'll format the script for you. So I'm going to go around and say, there is a boy working in a shop with an owner. The owner loves the boy very much and treats him well. The boy one day decides to not show up. The owner gets worried and finds the boy stuck somewhere, just like this. Okay, a very simple story right here that I'm going to go around and send. And now you can see that this is what you have right here. So now you can see that CC1, a young boy. So you can see that it actually referred to the first character as a young boy. It certainly arranges items on the shelves of the little shop, and shop owner watches with a fondness. And you can see that this is CC2 and CC1. The dialogue are here. So CC2 is actually being referred to the owner, CC1 is to the young boy. So now over here you can see that it says CC1 climbs a small ladder to reach the top shelf and whistles as you work. This is inside the bracket, as you can see right here, and so forth. The scene is divided, as you can see right here. So you can see that it says CC1 sits on the head, at the ceiling, lost in thought, and so forth. So you can see that this is how the custom script is actually made according to the description I've given. And that is how you can give out custom script formats inside of ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will generate out the content according to how you actually tell it to. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.